Coach Tony, over 50, men's fitness. You know, they say that men over 50 should slow down. I say that's the exact time to speed up. You know, your body may feel different, but your power isn't gone. Your strength hasn't just vanished, it's just getting ignored. You need to wake it up. You need to train it. You need to push back. You need to get busy. You need to get active. You need to jump into action and make it happen. You see, this is the thing that most people don't really seem to understand. Every rep, every meal, every decision, every time you go to bed, every time you do anything that causes stress, you're either building the man you want to become or you're burying the man you are. You have to choose to rebuild. You know, you're at a time in your life after 50 that I call your second prime. So I'm going to have to ask you, are you wasting it? Because it's time to rebuild your strength, reclaim your edge, reinvent your future. That's right. Let's do this. This is Coach Tony, and I'm asking you to like, comment, share, and subscribe so I can help you rebuild your edge after 50 and take back what is rightfully yours. Coach Tony, until the next time, signing off.